Welcome to my channel, Crafty Inspirations by Jujubee. I hope that you guys enjoy the videos that I will be uploading. I will be doing a lot of DIY and other stuff. Please stay tuned, and thank you for watching my first video, and I hope that you guys are with me for the rest of my journey here on YouTube. Thank you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, guys, is I'm gonna sand this down with this, and then I'm gonna spray paint it. Hopefully it works with the spray paint. I haven't really used it before on any projects, but hopefully it works. Let's see how it turns out. So while the dresser is drying and the knobs, I am going to cover the drawers with this paper. I got it at the Dollar Tree. It was $1 for the roll, and I should have enough for all 5 drawers. And I like it because there's this measuring on the back, so you can cut it exactly to where you need it. And then, as you can see, it's gonna have this on the end, which I'm gonna apply some of this to make sure it sticks and it doesn't come off. I mean, I used this type of paper in a different project that I did, and it didn't come off. It's still there, but just to double check, just to double secure it, because this is my daughter's dresser, so I just want to make sure it doesn't come off. Excuse the snoring. That is my bulldog. He is asleep and he snores very loud, so excuse the snoring, guys. What I did is I sanded them down, and I took off the knobs with the screwdriver, and then I wiped them down with a napkin, and now I'm gonna apply this to them. And there's 4 I need to do. I just did this one earlier as a test to see how it would look. I like how it looked, so now I'm gonna do the other 4 because there's 5. I'll show you guys the finished look. Excuse my nail. This one does not want to come off for some reason. I don't know why. So it's stuck there until it comes off. See, it's just a peel. You just peel the paper back. So that's what I'm going to do. The edge that is very straight, not the one that I cut, which is this one, but the very straight one, I'm going to put that one on top. And then the one that I cut, I'm going to put it on the bottom, just so that way you don't see it when you open the door, because I did not cut it in a straight line. Guys, I'm just basically unrolling it and then pushing it down with my fingers to make sure that I don't get any of these bubbles that you see here, flattening it out, so that way it can look nice and smooth. I'm going to be doing that on all of them. To make the holes for the screws, I felt through the hole that was there from the previous screw from the knob, and then I just pierced it with the scissors. So this is the final look of everything. It's like a rustic farmhouse look, which I really like. I enjoyed. After it dried, I sanded it down so it can give it this rustic look, and I sanded down the knobs as well. I think it looks really cute. My daughter loved it, and it actually goes with the color in her room as well. So I really enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. Like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, as I said, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial I made of a remake of my daughter's dresser. Thank you.